Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Grandam Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we replaced the flow meter, the one that you see right here. This one was giving troubles for the machine to detect the water going around through the entire system. And we also gave this machine a tune-up, replacing the brew unit of the machine. This one is the older one, to replace it with a newer one right here. And this is the one that is inserted right there. So we also descale this machine and just give it a good clean all around it and making sure everything is running up and nice and smoothly the way it's supposed to. We also lubricate the transmission and also deep clean these spouts that they were a little bit they need some maintenance. So starting with a little bit of hot water, that's just to basically warm up our cup. We're gonna test this machine and then we're gonna do a cup of coffee, a small cup of coffee. Enough. We can stop it right here and we can do our perfect. The machine heat up, so let's do one short coffee. Transmission will push the brew unit into the grinder slot and we will start grinding the coffee, which it will fall into this little funnel which is located right below the brew unit. The brew unit will open up, then contract with the generator, then the water will be pushed from the water tank to the generator and into the spouts as you see right there. As you can see, nice steady flow coming out of the machine, really good color and excellent quantity of coffee. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Grandama working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day and thanks for watching.